right, so I'm not going to sit here and lie to you guys. I thought I had content for the week, and I simply don't. I went ahead and tried to get the axle installed. I went through a whole process of shoveling out half a mountain, which you'll see in the video when that comes here shortly. Hopefully, we're waiting on parts for that. I went to install it, went to get the U-joints, put the U-joints on, and realized I did not have that stupid little plate for the U. That's the only thing I don't have right now. Now, unfortunately, can't run to the parts store because it's late Sunday afternoon and they're all closed right now. So there's that as well. I was like, oh shit, you know what? I'll just run to the parts store. I'll go ahead and take care of it. Not the case. Not going to be able to do that. So I don't think I have anything for you guys this week, unfortunately, and I do apologize for that. Everything that I did have planned is basically ruined. Everything I am currently waiting on parts for. The LB7, I do have that up and running again. I got brand new batteries for it. I went with Interstates. I'm very happy I went with Interstates. I've always had good luck with them. No more Optimas for me. They're just your basic lead acid batteries, so that's that. I am thinking I might throw these tires on the LBZ. I might be throwing these rims and tires on the LB7 and getting new ones. I think I kind of want to go with some factory new factory looking type rims, whether that's the ones that belong to these trucks or the newer ones, whether it's the 5-spoke. There is a set of Snowflake that I may get for this truck. Don't get me wrong, I absolutely love these. Is that a bug? Oh my God, the bugs are out. It's like 42, 40, it's probably like 45 degrees in the sun. But anyways, don't get me wrong, I love these rims. I mean, these tires and these rims. These are Nitto Ridge Grapplers, 305 7017s. I actually think they're like a 34. So it's time to get these off of this truck because we're no longer putting lift blocks on this truck anymore. With these 7-in-1 leaf springs, I want to see how this truck levels out without any lift blocks on it. I am also trying to get my CV axles, the angles, try and get those CV axle angles a lot better. Right now they're not bad. I think they're probably a little bit like that. They're not like at a 45, I'd say they're probably sitting at like a 30. I really want to get them down to like a 15, 20. So hopefully that will help that situation. I'll be able to, hopefully this drops down a little bit and then I'll crank the front keys down a little bit as well. Like I said, I had to absolutely shovel the shit out of this area because this little freaking mountain, which again is just past my knees, was all the way out over here. And my axle was sitting like this. So I had to get the tires on it, spin it around, and then move it in, which I actually dented the truck by doing that. If you look right here, you can see the dent in here. That's from me pushing the tire and just kind of squishing it on by. These rockers are so bad that even just hitting it breaks them off. I guess I should say cab corners because they're not rockers, they're cab corners. Which again, once we get the axle put back together, we can go ahead and do the rockers and cab corners. Take the whole entire interior out, take the carpet out. I may be redoing the headliner as well, taking the rear window out and putting an original rear window back in it. I'll have my reasonings for that when that time comes. But, so we've got a lot of stuff that's going to happen that's kind of waiting until we get to the truck back and driving. And I just ran into an issue of not having those stupid plates. And I wanted to make sure I gave you guys a video on this because I'm pretty transparent with everything I do. I kind of do like my whole channel's based on DIY, do it yourself, no bullshit. And this is one of those things where it's like, hey, it's no bullshit. I'm still out here making content for you guys, even though I don't really have much to do. I tried to. You'll see in the video I did, actually both videos you'll see when they do come out. I had a bunch of filming I did and ran into a snag. So, but like I said, I think it's important to let you guys know what exactly is all going on. Oof. What is that? What the? Hold on, check this out. You guys want to know what it's like living in Wisconsin and dealing with rust? What did we do? We put these leaf springs on a month and a half ago, right? Check this shit out. They haven't even left my driveway and they're already rusting. This hasn't even left my driveway and it's already rusting. It's like impossible to have a rust-free truck here in the north. Freaking possible. That is frustrating. But like I said, I want to show you guys absolutely everything that goes on with this truck. I'm sure it will, again, like this, kind of start to rust again, but I at least tackled a lot of the rust on the front. We're going to tackle the rust on the body. We're going to tackle the rust on the rest of the frame. So we've got a lot of stuff coming here in the future, you guys, and I'm really excited about it. I want to be transparent. I want to show you guys when I mess up, when I don't order my parts, and this is just one of those things. So again, thank you for stopping in and checking out this update on the channel of That Is DIY Diesel, because not everything goes as planned and not everything is as pretty as everyone makes it seem. So make sure you listen to this week's podcast. Make sure you follow the newly Facebook page. I kind of made that as I should have done it a few years ago, so that's why I did that. So I am on Facebook now, as well as just like a public figure page, you could say. So I'll be on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. I'll be on YouTube Shorts. I may come up with another video here. I'm not sure. I don't think I will. But like I said, thank you for stopping in. Make sure you like the videos. I got to say that more. We got to get these likes up. We got to get these subscribers up. I'm trying to hit that 10,000 mark, you guys. So I'm very excited. We've got another round of t-shirts coming that is going to be very exciting, because it's going to start something that I am quite excited about, and I think you guys will be too. So that being said, like the video, share the channel. I hope you guys had a blessed day, blessed weekend. We'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good night, afternoon, morning, whenever it is you're watching this. Seriously though, I'm quite sick and tired of this shit not working out. And I know a lot of it plays with the weather. So hopefully when this weather gets better, everything now starts to pan out a lot better for us. So let's get after it.